Hi, faithful friends. How are you today? Happy afternoon. Hope you're having a good Tuesday day. So far, mine's going pretty good. I have the quickest tip or quickest DIY to show you today. See that little basket back there? Well, it's not a little basket, but okay, this is pitiful. I know, I agree. I still have lavender in it, and I put it in the late spring. I guess, you know what, I still have lavender growing, so I'm going to give myself some grace. I still have lavender outside in my flower pot growing, so it's going to be okay. But I want to make this fall. So what I'm going to do is show you how quick and easy it is to switch out the greenery, the florals, in this basket so that you can do the same. Let me go get the basket. So this is look how big this is. I love this basket. So it has a handle, and that's how I have it hanging. But I love it because it's for on a door, but I don't want it hanging outside. I like it on my wall. But I want to switch it out for fall. But I'm going to leave the greenery in. So everything here is from Hobby Lobby. That's where I get everything. You can get it when it's on sale, the basket. The greenery is not the green, I keep calling this greenery. The florals are on sale. Well, you know how the fall sales go. They're like at 40% off right now. This greenery I'm going to leave in there because I like the way it hangs. Now, I may find something that looks a little more fall oriented. Hi Donna, how are you today? Hi Lisa. Hey everyone, say hi to me as you come on. But this is eucalyptus. I could switch this out. I didn't buy anything yet. I don't have anything. I could put like a spray of fall leaves hanging out over, or some greenery that has, you know, some oranges and rust colors in it. That would be fun. But for now, I'm going to leave the green. I'm going to take out all of the lavender. You're going to love how easy this is. Seriously. You're going to love it. Look, so if you want to replicate this, these are the big floral stems. This is lavender. It's beautiful for spring, even summer. I left it up all summer this year. And taking this out for now. And then I just replace it with whatever you want. If you like flowers or mums, it'd be great. In the summer, you could use geraniums. That would be awesome too. Now, I did put some bags. You can put some bags or paper, craft paper, whatever in the bottom, just to kind of give it some stability. You don't have to, but for me, I just kind of like that. Or if you have like a piece of foam and you want to put down in there, that's fine too. But what I'm using today, what I'm switching out to, I have these fall stems. So these colors. So a mustard, a cream, and then that burgundy. A little FYI, this deep wine color, like that purpley wine color, is all the rage for fall. Now, I realize that the trends start on the West Coast and they come our way, so probably next fall, you'll see a lot of that in the stores. So I'm just kind of anticipating that for you, but that's all the rage. Now all I'm gonna do is just kind of fan these out a little, and I'm gonna plop them into the basket. And I have 2 of each color. So let's do this. You're gonna love how easy this is. And I kind of stagger one to the front, one to the back. I'm gonna alternate them. Just fan them out a little bit. I don't like it, just for me, I don't want it to be super full. I like it to have, like, you just went out and you're on a random spur of the moment, you picked some beautiful florals out of the woods or out of the field. And then the cream is just for an accent color. Can you see? Try to make sure you can see this. So did y'all have a good Labor Day weekend? Did you do anything special for Labor Day? Hopefully you rested. Okay, so there is that. And again, I may switch this out, but I'm gonna just plop the eucalyptus in. Push it down in a little. And you can even spread these more, mix the branches together to give it a little more blended look. It's, you know, you really cannot mess this up, y'all. This is like the easiest switch out, floral switch out like you can do. It's decorating this basket. Okay, and there we go. Hey guys, that's it. Look at this. What do you think? I know it's really hard to see with the lighting, but I'm gonna hang it back on the wall here. And another quick adjustment, and there we go. Look, that was so easy. Like, you guys, you can do this. You all can do this. So let me know what you think about the quick floral arrangement. And if you decide to do something like that, let me know. I'd love to see the pictures. You could post it to this comments feed. It should go through with any pictures you want to. Hi, Lisa, you love it? Yes. I think it does look good. I'm gonna think about the eucalyptus, switching that out, but come on, it really just gives it a seasonal feel here. And it's like, seriously, you're just pulling out the ones that you're not wanting for the season and putting new ones in. Like, anybody can seriously do this. And that's one of the things, I like my stuff, my arrangements, my decor to look like I put a lot of effort into it, but listen. Here, let me just speak a little truth here. I'm not lazy, but I don't like to do complicated things. I like to keep things simple. I like it to be basic. If it's too tedious, I feel like it's overwhelming. Not that I can't, you know, not that I don't have the attention span to maintain and keep up that pace, but I just like to keep things simple. So if anything on this page, you will find things that are simple, like you can do, like you should be able to do. But anyway, so I just wanted to come on here real quick and show you this little tip because I just have a feeling that you're all gonna like it. Oh yeah, Lisa, yeah. If it's too tedious, well, yeah, it might take me a little bit to finish it. I usually am pretty diligent with finishing my projects, most of my projects. There's a few that I might not get to, but it might take me a while. If it's too tedious, I most likely will have to take a break. And then if it's something I really like or wanted to do, then I'll come back to it. But sometimes I just like, oh, that's too much. So yeah, like the plate rack I did, that became tedious. That was a bit of a little more than I can chew, only because the stain, I picked out the wrong stain, and so I had to paint it blue, and that became tedious. But yeah, I try to keep it just simple and basic and crazy silly, but that's how I like it. Hey, so you know what? Thank you all for joining me, and let me know if this inspires you and you want to go do something similar to that. Oh, you're welcome, Lisa. Thank you for watching and for joining me this afternoon. Hey, remember, you are blessed and you are highly favored, and I appreciate you for joining me. Have a great day.